trouble. And all I wanted to do was go home and jump into bed and pull the covers over my head and assume the fetal position.
I cannot picture that.
It's true. What are you thinking?
I just wish I knew why this was happening. I mean, a few weeks ago, Steve was in perfect health. I mean, not that I wouldn't be still upset to hear of a diagnosis, but at least then we would know what to treat. You know, is it cancer, lupus, MS, I mean, some other autoimmune disease, but it's just a mystery. So we have no idea how to treat it.
Oh, but they're running all kinds of tests to find out.
Yes, and they're rerunning the ones that they did before, the MRI, the CT scan, the blood work. I wanted to stay in the room, but they need to sedate him, so, you know, both doctors, the neurologist and, you know, Simpson and Rush, the immunologist, they both thought it'd be better if I just left the room.
Must be difficult.
Yeah, you know, it's funny. I mean, I don't even stop to think about the times that I ask, you know, patients' families to leave the room for the good of the patient. Or they ask me to leave. It's a whole other story.
It's hard, isn't it?
Yeah, it is, but I don't think they're right. I mean, Steve knows me so well. There's no way that he wouldn't see how worried I was. I mean, not that he didn't see the panic on my face when he first came to.
No, he didn't. I was watching him. He was just so glad that you were there with him.
Why can't we figure this out? I mean, we're doctors. This has, you know, the label of autoimmune disease, but it doesn't have any symptoms of any of the diseases we know. And he's getting worse. He didn't just pass out tonight. He stopped breathing.
And you saved him. You did that.
I cannot lose him. We just found each other again.
I'm putting my phone away now. I'm not calling Marlena, and I won't.
I know you won't.
But I'd still like to know everything that's going on with you and Steve and the ISA. So.
It's too late, Will. You already know too much. Let's go.
Wife, go where?
Just move. Let's go.
So they have Gabby on surveillance footage.
Leaving Andre's office the night of the murder.
Oh, my God.
And Gabby insists it wasn't her, that somebody was wearing her coat that looked like hers, but can't see the woman's face in the video.
Okay, well, then the police can't be sure that it's Gabby.
She